friends. Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Still on sequence and series. With us here is a topic under this sequence and series, a situation whereby we have unknown first term and common difference. Of course, that will lead to simultaneous linear system of equation. How do we solve that kind of problem? We have example one here. In my previous video, we have looked at many examples under arithmetic progression. Let's look at a situation whereby it will lead to a system of simultaneous linear equation. Example 1 read, the sum of the second term and the fifth terms of an arithmetic progression is 42. That's the first statement. If the difference between the sixth term and the third term is 12, we are asked to find A, common difference, B, first term, C, 20th term. Very important. Let's look at how we can solve it together and see how we can interpret the question. First thing to do, let's write down the solution here. See how we can interpret the question. The first statement, the sum of the second term and the fifth term of an arithmetic progression is equals to 42. The word is means equal sign 42. So we have to get the second term and the fifth term and sum it together. And recall that the nth term of AP is given as the term now equal a plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. Very important. So when we are looking at second term, which is t2, it means n is equals to 2. Let's substitute n equals to 2 into this. So t2 now will be equals to a plus 2 minus 1 is 1 times d, that's d. It means t2 is nothing but a plus d. Then we are told that fifth term, that's when n is 5 now, t5 now will be equals to a plus 5 minus 1, 4. 4 times d, that's 4d. So second term is nothing but a plus d, then fifth term is a plus 4 times d. We are told that the sum means addition. Whatever when we add the second term plus the fifth term, it must be equals to 42. That's what it means. The sum of the second term and the fifth term of an arithmetic progression is equals to 42. So this is the first interpretation. In place of this T2, we can put A plus the common difference D plus fifth term now is A plus 4D. Of course, it must be equals to 42. So let's work on this to get our equation 1. A plus A, that's 2A, plus D plus 4D, that will be 5D, will be equals to 42. This is now our equation 1. Very important. Okay, let's move to the next statement. If this difference between the sixth term and the third term, we need to get the sixth term, that's T6, now will be equals to, when n is 6, let's substitute again. It will be 6 minus 1, which is 5 times d, that's 5d. That will be a plus 5d. This is now our sixth term. Let's get the third term. When n is 3, substitute again, we have a plus 3 minus 1 is 2 times d, that's 2d. Difference means subtraction. So let's find the difference between the two now. That will be t6 minus t3 will be what? Is going to be a plus 5d bracket close minus a plus 2d. This will now lead to equation 2. Okay, let's move here. Let's clean some part of the question to see what we can do. Okay, but we are told that the difference between the sixth term and the third term is 12 is equals to 12. So whatever we have here, we equate it to 12. But let's resolve that. I will have a plus 5d now. This minus here we distribute over this bracket. That will be minus a, then minus 2d. Of course, it must be equals to 12. Is equals to 12. A minus A, of course, will be 0. 5D minus 2D, that will be 3D. Then we can easily find the common difference. But the first question says we are asked to find, yes, the common difference. That's A now. So we can divide both sides by 3. The common difference now is nothing but 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this is the solution to A. We'll use this A to solve for B and C respectively. The B part, we are asked to find the first term. We can use equation 1 to find the first term. Okay? Let's move here to achieve that. Okay? Okay? Our equation 1, okay, our equation 1 now, to find the first term, our equation 1 is from equation 1 is from the sum of the fifth term and the second term. Fifth term and the second term. So let me write it here. Fifth term and the second term, that's A plus 4D plus A plus D is equals to 42. Let me write it. A plus, that's 2A plus 5D equals to 42. This is our equation 1. Okay? So let's find the first term. Let's substitute D equals to 4 now into this. We can say put D equals to 4 into equation 1. So I have 2A plus 5, this is 5 here, into 4 will be equals to 42. Our aim now is to find the first term. This is now solution to B. Very important. So we have 2A now plus 5 times 4 is 20 will be equals to 42. Let's collect lifetime at this point. 2A now will be equals to 42 minus 20. 2A, of course, will be 22. Let's clean here to find A. To find the value of A now, we divide both sides by the coefficient of A, which is 2. Divide both sides, divide both sides. Whatever you apply to the left-hand side, you have to do the same to the right-hand side. So A now will be equals to 22 divided by 2, that is 11. So we are through with the B part. Let's move to C part. The 20th term, we are asked to find the 20th term. It means n is equals to 20. Okay, so if n is equals to 20, let's substitute into the nth term. Okay, let me write the nth term here, which is Tn will be equals to A plus n minus 1 times the common difference. When n is 20, what do we have? We have A plus 20 minus 1 is 90 times D, that's 19D. Let's substitute now. We know our A as 11 and we know our D as 4. So we can easily get the 20th term. I hope we are together. By the way, if you are coming across this channel, please subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic. Thank you. Let's continue. Our T20 now will be equals to first term, which is 11 plus 19 into the common difference, which is 4. T20 now will be equals to 11 plus, let's multiply 19 by 4, we'll have 76. So let me take it up here so that we can see it clearly here. The 20th term now, which is T20 now, will be equals to 11 plus 76. What do we have? We have 87. So this will be the solution to C. We are asked to find the 20th term. The 20th term is nothing but 86. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more amazing videos. In my next video, we'll look at more examples from this sequence and series where we have two unknown, the first term and the common difference. Of course, it will lead to system of simultaneous linear equation. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you for coming.